Super excited about another unboxing as we continue to restock supplies and restock our inventory with Glamit Cosmetics. We also have some incredible anti-aging skincare that's finally back in stock with our manufacturer. Our favorite eye cream just in. We're going to talk to you about that as well. So if you've considered being a wholesale buyer with Glamit Cosmetics, that means our label or your label. You can start your own beauty brand. So we're going to unbox these. I'm going to get everything cut open. Also, thank you to everyone that's ordered. Your eyeshadows and your lipsticks and your lip glosses are in this restock as well. So excited. You've got to try our products. If you missed the video I shared yesterday, definitely go and check that out, where I did a full facial, including the skincare portion, online. But I'm going to get these opened up, and then we're going to talk about the K-Nexil, which is our anti-wrinkle moisturizing cream. It is top of the line, a medical grade anti-aging cream with quinatin and vitamin C and E. Helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Our revitalizing eye gel, you will absolutely love. A spa-like quality, infused with botanical extracts. And then this is my favorite of all eye creams. It's our age-defying eye cream with hyaluronic acid and aloe. And it smooths out fine lines and wrinkles. You'll begin to notice a difference in your first few applications. And of course, you get those results. They remain with consistent use. So let's get to unboxing all these incredible products. So just in case you don't know, I'm going to start sharing, and not too early, right? Because I don't want to make everybody feel like I'm rushing summer, right? But just wait until you see the colors that are coming out for the fall. The dark lip is back, and we have just the most beautiful dark lip colors. But let's stay summer focused right now. So I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best sellers that we have for summer lippies. One is called Trance. That's one of our super glossy lipsticks. Another really beautiful shimmery brown color we have is Notorious. Electric Pink, that's that color right there. Another one is Jelly. That's for someone if you like neutral glosses, but we'll go over all of those. So right now we're just going to keep unboxing everything. Another top seller is Fiesta. Oh my gosh, it's like this shimmery fuchsia that you will just absolutely love and adore. Our mascaras are back in stock. I love our mascara. We have super fluffy brushes. They're just beautiful. So let me get everything cut open, and then we'll go through the colors and the products. So these are all Bold Effect eyeshadows, but all of our eyeshadows are intensity colors, meaning they go on true to color. You don't end up getting them and then you're like, ugh, that's not what I ordered. You know how sometimes you order from companies and the shades end up lighter or darker than what you ordered. These are the best. These are the eyeshadows I wear almost every day, if not every day, weekly. I know you're like, are you wearing that blue every day? No, I'm not, but I do wear this green every week. It's called Alter Ego. It's my favorite shade. I do wear a gold every week. This one's called Queen Bee. I wear one called Gold Digger, and then and this is called Jelly Bean. This is a really pretty purple color that I wear every week, and this is Icebreaker. This is a color that's making a, forgive my nails, that's making a really popular comeback. Is that frosted white and that 70s blue are all making a comeback, and so you will love these colors. These are our Bold Effect eyeshadows that you'll find on our website. These are some of our incredible liquid lip creams. These are also, are our regular lip glosses. This is our mascara, liquid lip creams, incredible lipsticks back here. A popular color is Maven. We're going to go through that. Another one is Girl Power. Red Bottoms is our top seller of all times, but I'm going to show you those colors, and then we'll also talk about those products. So stand by. I have a few more to open. I need to open the blushes, and I need to open some more eyeshadows. Eyeshadows that we just got in. This is a mid-size matte, and the color is actually Moon Glow. This is a mid-size Frost in Silverado. This is a mid-size Frost in Cashmere. I'm going to open those up so you can see them. And so it's important that we have mid-size, larger eyeshadows for people that want more color, even though you're going to get the same great amount of product in both of these packagings because they're long wearing. But we love that we can also offer some more muted tones and softer color eyeshadows for women that don't want to wear the bright every day. You know, they want to have more of a muted tone or all natural look. So if you're an all natural young woman or an all natural woman, you can definitely get that with Glam It Cosmetics as well. We have hundreds of eyeshadow colors to choose from muted to frost to matte to super frosty, glittery to you know, very low, what's the word I'm looking for? Very low key looks as well. One thing I wanted to share is that it's important to create your signature look. One thing I loved about my Aunt Betty, I miss her so much, was that she had this signature red lipstick and this signature red nail polish, and she wore it all the time. It was so classy, it was so ladylike, and it made her look so much like a woman. My grandmother was the same way, and my mom, they have their favorite lipsticks, and it just created a signature look for them. And so think about creating your signature Glam It Cosmetics look, right? Have great skin, have great lips, have great eyes. Think of the colors that work for you. We can help you pick those colors, and we can help you create your signature style for your unique selling proposition, if you will, for your brand, right? And you may say, well, I don't have a business, but you're still a brand. You're still a gorgeous woman. You're still a gorgeous young lady. So let us help you create your signature look and your signature style by helping you pick out some lipsticks, lip glosses, eyeshadows, skincare, whatever it is you love that will set your style apart and give you that confidence that you want, whether that's internally and externally. Confidence is key. One of our top sellers. Now I just want to show you that. So this is my favorite gold eyeshadow. It's called Gold Digger. It can be worn every day, all the time. So we've restocked that color. Another one of my favorite shades is called Booty, B-O-O-T-Y, like pirates booty, right? So we're restocking those shades, and they are just phenomenal. So if you're like, I need a really pretty brown, I need a really yummy, you know, like a copper brown, that's your color, that's your go-to shade. This one is called Glory. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it. This is our beautiful, beautiful go-to shade as well for eyeshadow, and these are gonna be all frosted. And these are some of our incredible frost eyeshadows. This shade is actually called Delight, and we've restocked that, and we also have restocked Madam. So these are our restocks for today. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna open up the lid so you can see the colors. I'm gonna get all the packaging removed from the glosses so we can open those up and show them to you. But just a little bit I wanna share with you about our Age Defying Eye Cream. So again, it has hyaluronic acid, and this rich cream provides moisture to the delicate issue, my coffee hasn't kicked in yet, the delicate tissue surrounding the eye area. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by locking in the skin's natural moisture, because the area underneath the eyes doesn't have sweat glands, right? And so with that being the case, it can get dried out. And so that's why we want to treat the under eye area so delicately and with really great products. Also, it locks in the skin's natural moisture, replenishes levels of hyaluronic acid that have been lost due to progressive aging. So the older we get, depending on where you show age, like I show age around my eye area, right? Some people it's their neck, some people it's their hands, some people it's their mouth. So it just depends, right? But this is a great way for us to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around our eyes. So hyaluronic acid is a super molecule that hydrates the skin, resulting in a more youthful appearance. And you're only going to use youthful appearance. You're only going to need a small amount around your eye area. You would just put a little dab on your finger, just a small amount on your ring finger, and place it underneath your eyes. You can do that in the morning before you put on your makeup, and you can do it at night before you go to sleep, so that way it can work at night. Now, our other product is our Revitalizing Eye Gel. It's also one of my favorites, and it's infused with botanical extracts. It's a delicate formula that's infused with cucumber extracts, green tea, and chamomile to moisturize and soothe the eye area. It helps reduce and prevent puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. So when you ask, do I need the Age Defying Eye Cream and the Revitalizing Eye Gel? Yes, they do two different things. So one is for anti-aging. This one is for someone that has puffiness under the eyes and dark circles, like we were talking about on the skincare video. It's going to help reduce and prevent puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. You're going to apply a small amount around the eye area. Tap gently until absorbed. So you can use it under the eye and over around the side bones of the eye. closest to the corners of the eyes, but of course you want to avoid. Another really great product, and this is a specialty product. At times our manufacturer is sold out of this particular specialty skincare product, along with our double anti-aging serum, which I'm still waiting on it to come in. Oh my gosh, it is my favorite anti-aging serum. So when you see this come available and in stock, you want to order it. Order 2 if possible. So you can find this on our website at www.glamitcosmetics.com, because it does sell out. Now this is a 1 ounce bottle, and it's our K-Nexil Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizing Cream. And this ultra hydrating anti-aging moisturizer is specifically and specially formulated to protect against free radicals, which we already talked about as environmental pollutions and things in the air that can cause premature aging and skin damage. And so it protects against free radicals and visibly helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You will see results with this product. You want to apply it to a clean, dry face and neck, both day and night, to help reveal softer, smoother, younger looking skin. You want to avoid the eye area, and sun avoidance is recommended during use. So if you're going to use this product, you don't want to use it on a day that you're going to be out sunbathing, right? You don't want to use it on a day you're going to be at the beach, because of the properties that are in it. So this would be a spa day for you. So maybe if you're going to be inside or just going from the car to the office, they're talking about you don't want to be outside like at the beach and at the park with that particular product on, because you want to take care with being in the sun while you're wearing it. So let's get some of these colors open so we can take a look at eyeshadows. So look how gorgeous. So the white color is Icebreaker, the purple is Jelly Bean, that's Alter Ego, the yellow is Queen Bee, this one is, escapes me, Hedonism, like the island. We just talked about that color, and that is Delight. This one is Moon Glow. This one is Silver Beam. Let's see. Silverado. Sorry about that. That color is Cashmere. This one is Gold Digger. That color right there is Booty. This color is Glory. That is a perfect everyday color. Perfect everyday color. Perfect everyday color. This one is a perfect everyday color. This one is called Madam. And then I think we already did that one. This one's called Delight. So those are the eyeshadows. They are gorgeous pops, true to color. They give you intense color, great coverage. You don't need a lot. They will last you a long time. So these are our most popular lip glosses. This is Beachy. I'm sorry, this is Betty by. The focus wasn't coming in well. Let me pick up from my different hand. My nails don't look so horrible. Betty by. This one is Trance. I wear that one all the time. This gorgeous color is Trophy Wife. These are our top sellers. So we're going to be labeling these today because these are going to stay in our regular stock. This one is called Hot Chocolate. That one sells really well. These are very moisturizing. They have vitamin E and they are just yummy. This one is called Jelly. And so these are for someone that wants like a light, glossy, shiny lip gloss. They're still going to give you color, a pop of color. It won't be as highly intense as these, but they're going to give you a rich, yummy, glossy feel to your lips. It's going to be super moisturizing, and it's going to give you a really pretty neutralized pop of color. Now these are going to be high intensity colors. These are our liquid lip glosses, and this is in Fiesta. This is a beautiful shimmery hot fuchsia pink, so pretty, like a rich pink color. This one is not hot pink, I meant like a deep rich pink with shimmer. This is electric pink. This is like a hot pink color, very pretty. This is one of our top sellers because it's neutral. It gives you a really beautiful shimmery bronze. This is perfect to wear with a smoky eye. It's called Naked Bronze. You can wear it with the beat to the beach. You're gonna wear it's gonna give you that summer glow. It's gonna highlight your tan. It's very beautiful. And it can be worn year round. All of these can, and these are super moisturizing. These particular colors right here, these are super moisturizing, but with intense color. Those are our mascaras. You will love the teddy bear brushes. And now I'm gonna de-lid the lipsticks so you can see how great they look as well. Stand First color is Sugar Plum. It sells out all the time, hard to keep in stock. These are our top sellers, believe it or not. A lot of our colors, I keep saying that are top sellers, but they sell out all of the time. The middle one, which is that light pink color, is Bunny Pink. It's a neutral pink that goes with every single skin tone. It's beautiful. This is Gumdrop. This is one of our Bold Effect lipsticks, and so is the, what is that? The Sugar Plum. Those are Bold Effect lipsticks, but all of these are bold colors. The one in the middle right here is Paso Doble, which is a beautiful, rich red. It's a blue tint red. This one right here, goes with every skin tone. This one in the middle is called Red Bottoms. When I tell you we can't keep it in stock, you see the mold on it. We just opened it up. It has not been used. These are all brand new colors. And that one is a top seller, especially for the fall and winter. That is gonna be your signature go-to color. This next one, which is also a really gorgeous color, is Maven. That is my favorite right there because I call myself the real estate maven. That's this beautiful plum pink right here, second to last, that color right there. You will love it. It will make your lips just pop. It's such a rich color. It's very beautiful. These are long wearing, long lasting lipsticks. They stay on all day. Of course, when you eat, they come off, but they stay on all day. And this last color, if you're looking for the perfect brick color, the perfect terracotta red, it's like a brown, red, orange. This one is called Fireside. I use that one all the time, and I line my lips with, I use it in the fall, and I line my lips with our wine colored lip pencil. It looks so good. So you can use the lip pencil in Hot Tamale. That's a really good one that will go along with that lipstick. So all of these are just incredible colors that you're gonna wanna have in your lipstick arsenal. So just wanted to show you our restock for today. And guess what? You can order at 25% off. It's gonna end soon, so you gotta use the coupon code before it expires. And the coupon code you wanna put in at checkout for 25% off your entire purchase is weekend. Okay, so God bless you guys. I'm Garlinda Price. We look forward to having you shop with us. And if you're interested in becoming a beauty boss, go ahead and order one of our kits. They start at $250. You're gonna get a ton of product, and now every kit includes some amount of skincare, whether it's samples or full-size products. So you're gonna get something in all of your kits, no matter which one you order, that includes skincare for you to sample out and try on your own. So www.glamitcosmetics.com. Remember this, lipstick and liquor, they're recession-proof.